What's up everybody, Black Dragonrider here. Happy New Year. I know it's a late video to say Happy New Year. It's a new year, a new start, and a new beginning. That's good. But when it's a new year and a new beginning, there's always be a new stupidity on the internet. So obviously all you guys heard of this Percel challenge, and whoever made this challenge, you are a dick, a complete dick. And anybody else who actually doing a challenge, you are also a dick. But there is one question, is who to blame for this challenge? Because I mean, the iceberg challenge was alright, and then it was that condom thing, I can't remember. But the Percel one, it's just like, it's like, really? Do you... that thing, that Percel tablet can freaking kill you, and can do some serious effect onto your body. Really serious effect, and it's freaking unbelievable. Yeah, so the Percel tablet can actually freaking mess you up. And also it's just stupid. Whoever make this challenge is freaking retarded. And I don't know how come some people are freaking doing this challenge. I mean, it's common sense to not do that. I mean, it's for freaking, it's cleaning products, for goodness sake. I mean, I remember I heard about the Bleach. That is even stupid. Because I saw one of the videos on what happens if you drink bleach, and it's not a good experience drinking bleach, because the stomach, that where all your food goes to digest, that had to be removed, and you have to use your oh god, what's it called? I can't remember now. What's it called? To have to use that bit, it's just stupid. It's just completely stupid. Heard about the Bleach one, and now the Percel one. It's just completely stupid. It's like some people don't have common sense, but the most people that people think about is the kids. I don't think, well, there are kids that do stupid things, but it's not just kids that is doing it, it's adults, well, teenagers and adults. So even though that there are some people like in the teens and in their 30s that are doing that challenge, doing a stupid challenge, and that, in fact, I think anyone would do it, but it's just like, oh. And I think there's another one when someone actually did it with a vapor. I don't know if I actually took a screenshot of it, but if I do, I'll definitely put it on screen. was going to buy myself a pizza, but unfortunately I don't have that. I don't have money, so that means I have to go home and freaking use my petrol money. Get myself some pizza. So off home I go. I swear, I think people is getting stupider and stupider every year of doing these dangerous challenge. I thought we're supposed to be smarter. Instead, we just do something stupid by dangerous chemicals that's made for cleaning that can kill us. Don't know if you think it's a brilliant idea. Oh yeah, let's use Percel for our challenge and bite into it. I know there are people out there that do stupid things, but to be even stupider, to risk your life over a challenge, what are you going to accomplish? Chances you're going to be in hospital or be dead. And any of my subscribers are thinking of doing this challenge, I'll advise you not to. It's not worth it. Your life is not worth it of doing this challenge. It's just stupid. The only thing I could do is advise you to just don't do it. There's better things in life than do this challenge. And think about it before you're gonna do it. Is it really worth it? Is it really worth your life? Ask yourself that question. Well guys, I'm gonna end this video here and go home, get my petrol money. That's what I'm supposed to do. Instead I took the alternative route and get myself pizza, because I'm really want a pizza. The person who made this challenge, should he or she will be responsible of people's lives? I'd like to know. Leave your comments down below, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye. Oh gosh.